Another thing you can do is if you've already got something like a wooden spoon and you want to decorate it, or it might belong in a different kitchen. It might belong in the barbecue drawer, not the main kitchen drawer. For my thing, I make a lot of jigs, and it is so nice. That one there, you can see I've written that in pencil. Over time, that pencil goes. Whereas if I've got this pen, I can write now. I can save that. If this belongs in barbecue, we can just write it here. This is bamboo. Now, that's where that can go. We'll know. So, even if you didn't want to be artistic, just for marking things, they are absolutely fantastic.